Villains, my name is Lil Doomville and I'm bringing you a special video today of me unboxing my new PC. So this is the desktop. It is the SE series gaming desktop by MSI, and I have my monitor off screen right now, which I will be hooking up and also playing game on. This new desktop will be used to stream and make YouTube videos, which I have not been doing for the past few days because I've been waiting for this fantastic new desktop. Okay, so I'm going to start by breaking open the seal right up here. You can see right there. Okay. I haven't actually opened it. I'm actually quite excited. I actually didn't know I would be getting this today. So this is actually a surprise for me, because I was trying to, I actually had $600 something, and I was waiting to earn money from my YouTube and Twitch streams. I needed like $200 extra. And my dad decided to invest in me, which is kind of awesome. Okay, so wow, this looks awesome. I bet you this lights up as well. Yep, this lights up as well. That's awesome. Okay. So it's by MSI. Okay. Wow. Alright. Just get this out. And oof. Okay. I like how it has this area where you can put your palms in. So when you're like gaming or something. I like how it looks. This is awesome. And look at the back too. Okay, next to the mouse. I love how they give you the mouse, a mouse and a keyboard along with a desktop. Okay, seems pretty. I don't think this one. Okay, so let's put that back down here. Great. Okay, now time for the unboxing. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Okay, I'm gonna flip. I think I'm gonna flip it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna flip it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, that came out nicely, very nicely. Okay, let's see. So we've got the power, and I don't know what that is. What is that? Power. Okay, we're also gonna put this with a keyboard and mouse. And then we have, oh, okay, this is for the Wi-Fi. Oh, lovely. Okay, so they give you this as well. Okay. It's kind of awesome. Okay, what about this side? Okay, so it's a glass panel. Let's actually remove this. Ooh, I kind of want to see the light up. Okay. Let's put that in the box as well. And let's get the power cord out. There is a button for the RGB lights right up here, right there. Let's put this away as well. I'm gonna accidentally cut myself. Alright. I like how I did this with your power up as well. Good planning. There we go.
Okay, so after some troubleshooting, I found out the few problems I had. So like I said, this is my first time ever even getting a desktop and turning it on. So I figured out what I did wrong. I'm not supposed to put anything in those two places. And secondly, I put the HDMI here. I wasn't supposed to. Actually, where it's supposed to go is down here. And yes, I actually only have one HDMI port. The others are just display ports or something else. Okay, let's see if you can see this. There you go, right there. That's actually also where my graphics card is.
What am I missing? Oh yes, Steam. Forgot Steam. Steam. Now we need to go and download Steam. Install Steam, please. Install Steam. Steam. Open file. Yes. Yes. English. Yes. Yes. No Espanol for me. Okay. Finish. Run Steam. Okay. Wrong account. Okay. Updating Steam. Okay.
So we're gonna install CSGO. How long do you guys think this will take? I'm pretty sure this will take about a minute or two. Okay. Oh wow, it only took a few seconds. Okay. Hello villains, my name is Doomville, and like I said, I'm going to be showing you CSGO. So I just downloaded CSGO, and actually I'm using GeForce Experience to record right now, and it's at, I believe it's at, let me just check. It's at 2160p 4K at 60 FPS with an MBS or bitrate of 130, which is kind of awesome. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and play a casual game in Dust 2 to show you guys. Let's just go in maybe a minute or two playing it. Oh, this is what my FPS is right now. Let me just really quickly check something. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Very excited. Wow. Okay. Yeah, even though it's a loading screen, come on guys, that's a lot. Like a lot. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and CT side. Sorry. I thought. Wait. Did I pick CT or terrorist? CT. I picked CT. Yeah. Cool. Hit the button. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay. We seem to be doing okay-ish, I think. Yeah, it's 2 to 4, so I don't know. Maybe okay. Yeah, that was good. That wasn't good. Dude, we're using an op. Come on. Okay, let's see. See if he sees him. Just in time. Counter-terrorists win. Good job, guys. I think he was the one that killed. Good job. I kind of wanna use an SG. Oh, okay. I think my FP. Actually, I did go ahead and play a little before because I almost forgot to record. I think my FPS was actually around 300. I think it's a little low right now because I'm recording at such a high resolution. It's even higher than in game. I think that's what's like this here. Let's flash first.
Look at.
Oh yeah. Damn. Let's take this time. And actually, I can't change it right now. Okay, we'll change it a little later. We'll check it with both. This with both 2160p and just in-game or just 1080p. Because 2160 is 4K. I'm quite excited. I'm excited actually to be able to record at 4K. It's kind of awesome. But then again, you gotta remember that my monitor is actually only able to record at 1080p. So I don't even know how I'm able to do this. So, but still, it's kind of cool. They're all just camping the bomb. Camp, my brothers, camp. Yay. was good. That was good as well. Wow. Okay, it's not bad. That. Let's see how they do. There we go. I do not know how that person knew he was there. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's try. Oh, okay. Let's see what this person does. I kind of want to see him, from his point of view. I want to see what he does. Hello. That makes sense. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Counter-terrorists
Hell
win.
yeah, guys. Hell yeah. Oh, cool. With their last bullet as well. Wow. Alright, let's go ahead and let's just use that.
Look out.
Let's try to use this. Not for my own teammate. Wow, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here. Go over here. That's how you kill yourself, guys. That's how you kill yourself. Okay. Well, I think that's fantastic. So thank you so much for joining me in this video today. And have a great day. And I hope that you're safe. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a